Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to export really fast in Davinci Resolve. So it's going to help you out, it's going to help everyone out. Just have a small request for you in the start of this video to watch the entire video and give this video a thumbs up. So it is recommended to many more people, and I've tried to search everywhere on the internet. I didn't get this information anywhere, but I've seen great results. So I'll share with you what were the results that I've got. I exported once with the H264 settings, and frame rate and everything else was the same. The resolution, the clip exported in about 56 seconds. Then later on I changed it to MPEG and MPEG for video. After doing this, I noticed that even the file size is like superb. It was like just 196 MB for 2K video, about 20 seconds long video. So I found it quite decent, and all the other settings were same, and I got like the clip exported in around 15 to 16 seconds, as you can see here. About like 19 seconds was really good. So I was really happy to see like a 3 times performance boost using these settings. The codec should be MPEG in the, under the deliver tab. Come under the deliver tab in Davinci Resolve, MPEG codec, MPEG for video type, and just add it to the render queue and render it. If you notice any results, in terms of the export times, do mention it in the comment section. Give this video a lot of love. I'm sure it is going to help everyone. Have a great day. Hope it helps everyone. Share love. Bye bye. Take care. Hope this video helps you out. Bye.